doing?
Close the door.
What you doing? Hi. Hello, Ventus. Hello. Here. Whoop, that scared the crap out of him. Say hello, Ventus. This is my new baby.
That sounded like a rat.
I know, that's why I was like, oh god.
Where's that?
This is Ventus. This is a Ventus. And Ventus will go on our shoulder. He's the newest baby in the house. And he is adorable. So, are you really good at there count pennies?
Mm-hmm.
Here's a happy boy. He has this thing where he has these shakes. He'll just sit there and shake. Burp. He's like, no. Where you going, Ventus? Huh? Where's it, Ventus?
She beat Aqua's storyline last night.
And I started a new one.
And it was a gay ending.
So was Terra. No, Terra's was worse. I'm sorry. Terra's was freaking awful.
I'm using Roxas.
You're using Ventus.
Same goddamn fucking person.
Technically, no. Not technically not the same person. So. Clean it out. Where are you going, Ventus? You gonna call it in?
Look.
Oh! I got a rat in a jar.
Like, what the fuck?
Ventus, you're fat.